Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm just here at the park. I actually just wrapped up a couple videos, and I was gonna do one on advice for YouTube, which I've gotten requests for. And I think I'm gonna do, instead of doing a video, I'm gonna do it as a live. So I'm gonna be doing a live on Sunday the 4th, which is not this Sunday, but well, today is actually Saturday. I'm shooting this in advance. So yeah, Sunday the 4th. So this coming Sunday, I think about 5 p.m. Sounds like a good time. And that way you guys can just direct ask questions. If you want to jump in, I'm a little shaky on the StreamYard, but I'm going to try to invite people in if you want to hop in and throw on your 2 cents. And yeah, it should be cool. And hope to see you there. If anything you want to ask in this video, I can just answer during the live. Feel free to ask away. And we'll see you then. Have a good one.